Take a ride in the 2013 Dart. The Dodge Dart is a compact sedan that combines efficiency with sport. With plenty of space to tote passengers, the Dart is a great value. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote trunk release, tires, front performance, FWD, tires, rear performance, four-wheel disc brakes, wheel covers. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.